Thanks, Bob. I've saved up enough money. This is the truck that I got in high school. This is the one I bought when I was working on the pipeline, and this one just recently bought. We're gonna go out here. This way. And hopefully we can make it up the drive. If I remember, they might not still have it as gravel. I don't know. I've inherited slash basically the grandparents gave me. It's more they gave it to me, but they did that after. Because this used to be my dad's farm, but he passed away on a tragic accident. So it's now our farm after grandparents were taking care of it. Let's see, greenhouse for making money. Oh, grandpa left Ed's dream truck slash mine. Let's see what all we got. A John Deere 8300, New Holland skid steer, a Farmall. Looks to be a 560, an 8110, a 4020 with a 158 loader, bucket, a 4320 John Deere, and then a 4955. Let's see. Had a T560 2410 John Deere plow. Let's see. Got regular trailer like what I've got, and a Haymaster. Oh, this was Grandpa's favorite. This is also my dad's favorite tractor. Let's see, we got a Vermeer baler, a Vermeer rake, which is also known as a windrower. Got a International Harvester Cyclone Air 800, and got a straw chopper. Let's see, is there any cedars or anything in here? I don't know what it is. I don't know. That might be a subsoiler. A silo. But let's see, you got some chickens. Need to check on, see if they left the cows in here or not. Oh yeah, they definitely left them in here. I'll give y'all a house tour while we're at it. First, let's see. Oh, Barney. Let's see. Got some food still in here. Let's see, make us a cup of coffee. There we go. Here's our room. There's the laundry room. And there's the bathroom. Up here's the computer. You got your grill. Nice view. There you are. And everything. Let's check and see. Because the cows look like they had food. I say got a little bit. This is gonna be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe if you want to see more.